Hi guys, Amit here for Advices Media, and here we are going to unbox the Samsung Galaxy Y Duos Lite, a new entrant in the budget smartphone series from Samsung under the Galaxy series, with this being the dual SIM phone under the Galaxy Y smartphone devices. So let's just check out the package and see what all comes in it. So here, as you can see, it's mentioned that the MRP of this package is 7,800 rupees, along with which the package comes with the phone, a battery, a travel adapter, a stereo headset and the data cable. The device comes with 2 megapixel camera, TouchWiz for Android, GPS, Social Hub and HSDPA 3.6 support. Let us just unbox the package and check out what all comes in it. So here is the phone. That's the Galaxy Y Duos Lite. We'll keep checking out that later on. Here is the package contents. This is the Samsung branded, a very good quality travel adapter with the model name and everything mentioned on the same. Here's the battery, which is a 1200 mAh capacity battery. Standard but pretty good looking white colored Samsung branded headsets, but again the build looks cheap because it's very less weight and the earplugs are quite hard. A micro USB cable for connecting the phone to your system. So this is what all comes in the package. We would be connecting this battery, inserting this battery onto the phone and then checking out the phone. So here's the Samsung Galaxy Y Duos. As you can see, on the front end you have one physical button, two touch menu keys. On the top you have a 3.5mm headset jack, slot where you can connect the micro USB cable. On the left you have the volume rockers. On the right you have the on-off switch here. And on the back you have the 2 megapixel camera with the speakers on the back. This is where the micro SD card enters. Let's just open the back panel and insert the battery first. It's very easy to open the back panel, and here, as you can see, this is where the micro SD card is inserted in order to expand the internal storage. These are the two slots wherein you can insert the SIMs. That's the SIM card 1 slot and SIM card 2 slot. Let me just insert the battery. So once you're done, here is the phone. Let us just boot this up for the first time. And here the model number S5302. So here we are onto the home screen of this phone, and this is what you get. You get a few panes here wherein you can move around. There three home screens wherein you can insert new widgets and application shortcuts. On the top you have the notifications area wherein you get instant message saying that you can set up the Samsung account and set up the software update in order to check out for new updates. Under the applications area you get all these applications pre-installed, wherein few important ones are Chat On for chatting with your friends and family, a quick office application which is useful if you would like to access the Microsoft Word based files. So here, as you can see, it's suggesting us to check out the quick Word, quick sheet, that's an Excel sheet, quick point, that's a PowerPoint, quick PDF, etc. You can always tap onto the same, access your documents and check them out using the quick office application which comes pre-installed here. There's a Google Plus application which comes pre-installed. So most of the Google related applications come pre-installed, like the Google Talk, Google Maps, Google Search, YouTube, Google Plus. Apart from that, let me just show you the software version of this phone right now. So here, as you can see, this phone comes with Android 2.3.6, and we hope that there is a software update available for the same so that we can update it to the latest version. There is already a software update available onto this device which is being installed right now onto the same. Let us just check out. So here it says that the update is available. Let us just install onto the same. The device would be rebooted whenever you update the Samsung or most of the Android based devices. So here we are back onto the home screen of the Samsung Galaxy White Duos Lite. Now, since the firmware update has been done, let us just check out the firmware version. I'm pretty sure this was a pretty small update and not a major software update. So here it's again the same Android version is 2.3.6 and the build number is DDLJ2. So this takes a while for this to complete. Meanwhile, let us just check out the other stuff onto this device, like the camera application here. The camera application offers you with a few different settings and features. So here, the resolution by default is set at 2 megapixel 1600 by 1200. You can also lower it down. Apart from that, there are options for setting up the white balance. There are options for setting different effects. Image quality, if you would like to go for a normal image. Resolution, timer, white balance. So this is what all it comes with. You can also set up the guidelines, enable GPS if you would like to store the photo location. If you would like to review the picture, then you can always go for this option. And this is where you can set the storage in case you have a micro SD card inserted. So this is what all comes under the camera application settings. You have different scene modes here which you can select and you implement. There is also option of smile shoot. When there is a smile detected, then only the picture would be captured. The panorama feature, if you would like to take a panorama. So let me just capture a quick picture and show you the review of the same. So here, there was a pretty quick capture and still the quality is decent enough considering that this is a 2 megapixel camera. You cannot expect much out of this, but this is a decent phone. The phone comes with the dual SIM feature, which means that you can insert 2 SIM cards at the same time and access the services on both at the same time. The SIM card manager would be available if you inserted both the SIM cards, and then you can access the same. Let us just check out the browsing onto this device now. So here we are accessing our Android blog, that's androiddevices.com. The mobile version is perfectly loaded here. The content scrolling is pretty good. Let me just restart the same in the landscape mode, and the content has perfectly redrawn here onto the screen width. Let us try to access a blog post. So here the blog post has come up. You can easily pinch to zoom and read the content in a better way. So this is the mobile version which has shown up. Let me just try the same in portrait mode, and again the content has reflown and perfectly set up here. The browsing is pretty good onto this device. Let us just check out the YouTube application and check out the viewing angles and how the videos play onto this device. So here we are onto our YouTube channel. Let me try to access any of our recent videos. That's the one which we just uploaded. That's the Nokia Lumia 510 review. And to increase the volume to the max. This is the inbuilt YouTube application.
Hey guys, I'm here from Advices Media, and here we are going.
Let me enable the high quality display.
And here we are going to review the new book. Since the device has very less resources, it does take some amount of time in order to run the applications, but that's again fine. You don't expect much from a budget phone. This is the app highlights area where you can find some very good recommended applications for your device. Always long press on the home key.
So the viewing angle is pretty good. If you are even keeping the phone onto the desk, you can still watch the videos. So that's one very good advantage of buying this device. Apart from that, you get all of the applications which are available on Google Android, except a few which are specifically not available for this device because of the screen resolution. So overall, this is a very good decent device, and if you're looking for dual SIM phone, this is something we would actually recommend you, except the fact that the screen is pretty small. So it was a quick review of the Samsung Galaxy White Duos Lite. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned on our channel for more related updates. Thank you.